Kopitiam Ria. We want to get our breakfast. So stay tuned, see what we order. They now order this one for Bryson, fish ball. Thank you. Fish ball warna apa? They ask me. Two type of fish ball there now. Warna coklat I say. Ada putih, ada coklat. I ask for putih, coklat. Bryson drink Milo. Mami and Daddy kopi deh. Bryson, got celebration in school today. Hari Malaysia. Need to use costume lah. But the costume you know in the car. Later then use it. Rasa mama mau ada. Kau Daddy. Fish ball. Then.
That's a mama fish ball. Nah.
Show to Daddy. Let Daddy.
Okay. It.
Bahasa mama muat. Fish ball. Nah. Morning. Wow.
Pizza apa?
Dia. So we order kampua je nak guys. Macam biasa je tuan ni. Kicap yo. Nama manis putih ni. Hello guys. So now we order kampua.
Wah,
There. Order from the stall there je now.
authentic
Oh, they
Cebu
got-
kampung.
Keropok also. Keropok
Keropok.
uwe dengan. So I try first without that one without the chili. So later I share with Bryson, then try first. Another time. Got this authentic
taste.
kampung.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
RM5 portion there.
Ringgit.
Okay.
Okay.
Ada enough?
Okay. Good.
Okay, Bryson sama Mama. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Enough lah.
Oh, they use this white stock. Not the red meat. Papua guys, Papua Cebu. Meat you know. Để chịu potong. Có keropok juga, keropok wet dia. Wet. Okay. Lanjut makan.
Lanjut makan guys. Eat first.
morning guys. Di Tapau. Bos, pagi. Apa ada tuh?
Ada mie, ada mie Jawa, ada
Di Jawa ada. Oke. Nasi lemak apa tuh?
nasi lemak, itu biasa lah.
Biasa, pengin. Oh, oke. Banyak ah tuh.
Oh,
Orang makan lah.
seorang makan,
Orang makan boleh.
seorang makan boleh.
Oh.
Kadang-kadang punya rasa banyak hilang, dia boleh kursi tempat makan.
Oh, dua orang makan. Ambil RM2 bang.
Boleh lah.
Plastik sikit. Plastik sikit.
Oh, boleh.
Okey. Kari pap apa inti?
Tang.
Kentang. Seda daging.
Tidak.
Seda yang berdaging lah.
Ban hodok, bawang goreng ada,
Bawang goreng. Okey.
itu semua
Alright. Oh, Doraemon ada juga.
itu yang ada tinggal.
Doraemon
Doraemon,
apa sikit?
singgit WD.
Tinggi lagi. Oh, okey.
Sidak mau campur-campur pun boleh, sikit-sikit.
Boleh oh.
Buka pun boleh.
Alright. Ya aja lah bang. Hah? Okey.
Sikit kami sponsor.
Hah?
Sikit kami sponsor. Gaji Jumat.
Oh, okey.
Sedekat kira.
Okey, saya. Alright. Okey.
Hello guys. Basan got function in school. Got celebrate Hari Malaysia. They show your uniform deh. Show your cloth. Uniform.
Baju cantik.
Baju cantik tuh. Necklace. And then got
Mami pun cantik.
okay, say.
Hello everybody. Tonight I want to celebrate Malaysia Day. Selamat Hari Malaysia everybody.
Stay safe.
Stay safe. Hello everybody. Tonight I want to celebrate Hari Malaysia. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to go to school now.
Not now. I want to go to school now.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. So hello guys, so we're
At Boulevard.
at Boulevard
Boulevard food court.
food court
We want to have our
dinner.
dinner. Okay, so stay tuned. Then, so see later what we order.
Okay,
Okay.
guys.
So just now we order from this Indonesian stall, guys. Indonesian. There. Daddy, come already there. There, our food there.
One more tray.
Wow, it's there. One more tray, B.
Wait, what's them soybean now?
There.
Want to drink?
Ayam. Convenient.
So this is what we order just now, guys. So this one just now is ayam cili hijau, they call it. Ayam cili hijau, mine. This one just now be
Soto daging.
soto daging with rice. So Bryson one just now is nasi ayam.
Special.
Nasi ayam there, steam. So this one spicy, guys. Okay, so we want to eat now.
Makan.
Makan, guys. Okay. So after eating just now, we go to Imat, guys.
Want to drink water, mommy?
Okay, come
Drink ah.
later.
Want to drink?
So this is what we got just now. So now we want to go and pay again at the counter. everybody. So now we want to unboxing. The thing that I bought online, guys. So stay tuned. See what this one? What is inside here, Bryson? No. Toys. There. There got two. Guys, they show to the camera. One. Two. There. Two. Wow. Very big, guys. So let's see. So I bought bag, guys, from online there. Mommy want another one.
No, that's one.
Mommy want. There.
Go back.
There, see, guys.
Go back alone.
This is how it look like there. Quite big on the compartment there, quite big. Can make it bigger again there. This one. Open the zip here. So it will be bigger. There, this one. Very deep there. Different. So this one is gray color, and then the other one is purple. Okay, purple. Purple color. It's the same also, the shape the same, just the color only different. There. Very deep, oh, can put a lot of things here, guys. There. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like our channel. Bye bye, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessica JVST. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessica JVST to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.